Hello friends, my name is Happy. Today we're going to learn how to make target game in Scratch. So first, let me delete this costume, move it to the center. Now when flag clicked forever, glide 1 second to random position. Now what I want, if then the mouse down and touching the mouse pointer, then it should hide stay on page. It's not working. The mouse not touching mouse pointer hide. Oops, I forgot to put show here. The light's not working. Change X by 10. I'll set the position to 0, 0. Anyways, so now what I'm going to do is that I'll go create clone of myself. I'll make a separate one, flag clicked. Forever. Wait 1 second. Create clone of myself. Let's start as a clone, do all this. Oh yeah, this should be delete this clone. I set this to hide. Oh, it should work. Yeah, it's working now. Next, I'm going to set the direction. Now I'll set the direction. Wait in direction. Let me make you a separate and set as a clone. Forever. Wait 1 second. And then point in direction, pick random 1, 2, 3, 360. Oops, it's supposed to be moved 10 steps. I'll make it so just to pick random 1 to like 3, 1 to like 0.5 seconds. Now you can destroy these. You can destroy it. Now I also want to randomize something else. I make a variable for this part only. Click on CLK stands for click. Now for each of these, set click to a random number from 1 to 3. I increase it to 2 seconds. Set click to a random number from 1 to 3. It's got add-ons. I've got add-ons. I don't. Instead, I will change click by -1. If click is less than 1, delete this clone. At 2 seconds too small, into 1 second. What's ready to school? I forgot to change to go to x 0,0. Let's make this faster. And finally, I'll add a score. Set score to 0. I have to make the score to be my variable because I'm lazy. Now when this happens, change score by 1. Change score, which is my variable, by 1. Now it is 0. Now if you destroy one of them, it change by 1. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, ObaCode. Bye.